Uh, so
Am I
first of all,
visible?
very good morning to you.
Very good morning, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. As you know, first of all, I would like to introduce myself because I am meeting you for the first time. And as you
Yes.
know, that my name is Sheikh Hamid. Actually, I am from Odisha, but I am talking to you from Visakhapatnam. And I work for an hotel industry.
Yes, that's
Would you like to
great.
introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yes, definitely. Thank you for introducing yourself. I am Saraswati, and I live in Mumbai. Basically, I belong to UP. I have done BA BEd, and nowadays I am a homemaker. And along with that, I am also running my YouTube channel. Yes, that's all about me.
Great, great. Okay. Okay, but so far I have never created any YouTube. So what I'm thinking is, for the first time I'm talking to you, and I also want to upload this video in the YouTube because every day, see, actually why I'm talking to you because I also want to improve my English communication skill. So I
Yes,
thought that I should also try it because there are many people who are doing it, and every day I am seeing it in the YouTube. So
yes,
I am also thinking of doing the same.
yes. You
I
can
would like to ask
definitely
you,
upload.
ma'am. Yeah, yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, you can definitely upload on your channel. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. And madam, I would like to just ask you, what are the challenges that you have faced while learning English? Because see, there are many people who are facing challenges while learning English, and I have also faced. It's not that I haven't faced, but still I am struggling. But I'm comfortable in this language now.
Yes, and can I ask you for how long you are practicing and working on your communication skills?
If you ask me, ma'am, it's been just 6 months since I have been practicing it. Earlier, I didn't used to do it. I never even used to, watch any videos on YouTube. And it's been just 6 months since I have been doing it, ma'am.
Okay. And I have started my journey before 25 days ago only.
Oh, great. Okay,
Yes. Yes,
great.
I have a YouTube channel for last 1 year and I upload English grammar content. But when I am talking about my communication skill, I have started it only before 25 days ago only. Yes.
Okay. So how many people have you already spoken to? I mean, you are uploading videos in the YouTube. So I just want to
Yes.
know so far to how many people you have already spoken to.
I have spoken with 12 people, only
20
12 people.
so
Yes.
So the journey of this YouTube has been good as it seems now.
Yes, it's a good platform. And for learners, if you want to improve your English, and this is good platform. And because here we get opportunity to talk with different people.
Great, yeah, I can
Yes.
understand that, ma'am. And I can see also that because the year we get to talk to each other on video call. See, like I am telling you that I am talking to you for the first time on a video call. So far, I have never spoken to anyone in the video call,
Mhm.
and obviously, it will be a little hesitation. There will be a little hesitation, but
Yes.
after talking to few people in video call, then I will also get used to it.
Yes, it will remove the, when you talk with two, three people, and it will remove automatically. It will remove.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because how I have been inspired, if we talk about YouTubers, there is a person whose name is Ashutosh. I don't know whether I should take anybody's name in this video or not,
Yes.
but I watch his video every day, and I really like his fluency because the way he talks is really nice.
Yes.
Uh, it's been, I've been watching his videos for the last 1 month because I
Mhm.
just subscribed his channel, and he really talks to people on his YouTube, and he really enjoys. So I also
Yes.
thought of doing the same.
Yes, you can do. You can also do. If you have desire, if you have passion, so you can do definitely. Yes.
Definitely, definitely.
Uh, So when you got that idea that I should also start my YouTube channel and upload videos, conversational videos.
Just yesterday or day before yesterday, ma'am, because I was just watching all the videos in YouTube. I just came across your channel. You were talking
Yes,
to some lady where I went, in the comment section. I saw your mail ID. Then I mailed there. And then
okay,
I also thought of making videos like other YouTubers. So what I thought is, apart from making videos, we can also improve our English communication skills here,
yes,
because there are many applications where you have to talk to tutors and they correct you when you make mistakes, but
yes,
there you have to pay, you have to take paid version, and here
yes,
we can do it for free.
yes, yes. That is a benefit of this platform.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
Yes. What you if you want to ask something, then you can ask me.
Certainly, ma'am. Because see, what I would like to ask you, ma'am, because I will create the YouTube channel for the first time, and what I would like to tell my viewers is, if they keep on listening to English, they might also, improve their English. So what do you do for your viewers, man? How do improve their English? What do you tell them, man? How do you motivate them, man?
Yes, I as I told you in my initial stage, I just upload a grammar portion. But yes, only to learn grammar and have vocabs is not enough. If you want to speak in English, then you will have to open your mouth also.
Exactly.
So
I
that's
completely
why
agree.
I have also started to upload conversational videos, and that will be helpful for the viewers who are going to watch my videos,
Exactly.
and they will get motivated also. Yes, I can do also.
Very good. It's really
Yes.
nice to hear, ma'am.
Yes,
I forgot to ask you, ma'am. May I know what your qualification is, ma'am?
yes, I am BA BH,
Oh,
and
great.
along with that, I have also completed web designing course. And for 15 years, I was working in one particular software like Photoshop. Yes,
Great.
now for the last 3 years, I left my job and taking care of my family and my daughter. And along with that, I am also running my YouTube channel. Yes.
Great, ma'am. Great, ma'am. Great. It's really nice to hear, ma'am. Uh, Okay. Then how much time do you spend every day for your YouTube and for improving your English speaking skill, ma'am?
As I am a homemaker, time is not, I can't sit on a particular time. When I am free, and that time I create video, and that time I communicate with people. So that's why I am just mail you. Yes, if you have time now, so we can communicate because I am free now, and so that's why I'm giving you the mail, send you the mail that if you have time, so we can communicate now.
Great,
Yes.
great. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank you because you have given me an opportunity to talk to you, because I was also about to go for the office. But what I thought is, okay, let's talk to madam first, and then I will go to the office.
Okay, that's great. So I think I can say that you have also a great passion and a
Yes.
desire to learn this language. Yes.
Exactly, man. Because see, it's been, like I told you, it's been already 6 months since I have been practicing this English speaking, so that I can also be better at English. We should have a command over the English. So what
Yes.
we have to see, if you ask me about my experience, I have total 20 years of experience in hotel industry.
Oh,
So
that's great.
yeah, and we have to work with many people who are from different states, and it's not that everybody can speak Hindi. So there are some people who are from South India, like Tamil Nadu, Bangalore. Then we have
Mhm.
to talk to them in English. We do talk to everyone, in the office in English, and we
Okay.
in the same way, and we can practice it.
Yes, very true.
Get to practice it. Yes.
Yes.
It's not that we should only talk to the people in YouTube and then we can improve our English. It's not like that, because there are some people in office to whom we have to talk in English.
Yes. Yes, only to talk here means on YouTube channel, it's not enough. You will
Yes,
have to talk with your children. You can talk with your, surrounding people and in your office people. At everywhere when you want to, whenever you want to speak, you should, I think, speak in English only. Then you will improve very soon.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yeah, I
Because
completely agree.
one benefit I have, as I'm teaching one or two children and my daughter also, so it is one more benefit of me. Yes.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Would you like to ask me anything else, ma'am?
Yeah, you are already working somewhere,
Yeah.
and now you have started your you are going to start and want to upload conversational videos. What is your future plan if you will succeed, if you will
Yeah.
learn and will be able to speak fluently? So what is your future plan?
There is no any future plan, because see, like I told you that I have 20 years of experience working in a hotel and this hotel industry, and I am not thinking of that if I am able to speak English fluently, I will be able to do this and do that. It's not like that, because in the profession, we have to speak English professionally where we are working. Okay,
Yes.
English is must for us. See, many guests come with whom we have to,
Hmm.
talk to them in English. So that is our job, ma'am. Because if
Yes.
we are not able to talk to them in English, then they will look at us in a different way.
Yes,
Because
very true.
being educated, if we are not able to talk to them in English, then it will be a little different, ma'am.
Yes. Can I ask you which type of videos you were uploading till now
I haven't
on your
even,
channel?
like I told you, ma'am, I haven't even uploaded any video in YouTube channel. I have just created, and I'm
You
thinking of
created,
uploading
you
this
have
video,
a
this type of
channel
videos.
but not created any video or not uploaded any video. Yes.
Yes, right, ma'am.
Means you, it will be the first video you are going to upload on your channel.
Sure,
Yes.
exactly.
Okay. Yes. So best of luck for your, starting journey.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mm. Mm.
Okay.
So would you have some, would you like to communicate more or you are just going to left for office?
I think I will have to go to the office now. And if I get a chance to talk to you again, then I will definitely talk to you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sure. So
Yes.
thank you for communicating with me and coming to my channel for my coming here to talk with you. Talk with me. It's my pleasure to talk with you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you very much.
and best of luck for your starting YouTube journey.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed talking to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a nice day, too, ma'am.